Hi guys, and welcome to Shield's Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make paolo. Paolo is my favorite potato preparation, and I learned it back when I was still a student at the Amstel Hotel in Amsterdam. It's really good, so I hope you try it as well. So for now, let's begin.
Start by peeling 8 big waxy potatoes. Cut them on a mandolin into 3 mm thick slices. Then cut these slices with a round cutter and keep the potato rounds in cold water. Keep the trimmings to make a puree or a gratin. Rinse the potato to remove any additional starch. Now season some boiling water with salt and blanch the potatoes until they still have a little bite. After, let them cool down on a towel and repeat the process with the remaining potatoes. Now let them cool down completely in your fridge. Meanwhile, marinate some goose fat with a couple sprigs of thyme and then add your cold potato rounds. Mix this so everything is covered. And let this sit for half an hour. Now stack the potatoes in small batches and press them together in between so it becomes one solid piece. Transfer them into a metal cup. Then let them set for half an hour in your fridge. After, cover them completely with some melted goose fat. Now let them set as well. Then transfer them in a big pot and pour in natural oil until the metal cups are halfway submerged. Then put the pan on a high heat so the potato can fry in the goose fat. Meanwhile, heat up some goose fat and refill the cups when the fat runs out. When the potato is golden brown, take them out of the oil and turn them around. Be careful, because it's still very hot. Now remove the cup. And finally, season it with some flaky salt.
Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. So like and share it and subscribe if you want to see more. Bon appétit!